Calculating Frequency by Angelica. What is frequency? The frequency of a wave is the number of complete oscillations a point on that wave makes each second. What does frequency depend on? Frequency only depends on producer, which is the source of producing a wave. What variables are used in finding frequency and wavelength? Frequency is measured in hertz. 1 hertz is 1 oscillation per second and is equal to 1 second. F is for frequency, V is for velocity, and T is for time. Frequency of a wave and wavelength. The frequency of a wave is equal to the reciprocal of the period. You can directly measure a wave's wavelength by measuring the distance between the adjacent crest and trough. Here's a scenario. So, the wavelength of a wave is equal to the velocity divided by frequency. The formula for this is wavelength equal to V over F. This is what would happen if you took a transverse wave on a coiled spring toy. Measuring from peak to trough on such a snapshot provides the wavelength. Here's a picture of my problem. A train has a frequency of 55 hertz. If sound travels through the iron tracks at 5,000 meters per second, what is the wavelength of the sound wave? Part A. V equals 5,000 meters per second. This is velocity. F equals 55 hertz. The first step is to reread the equation. A train has a frequency of 55 hertz. This is your velocity. If sound travels through the iron tracks, 5,000 meters per second. I messed up.